Okay, question 27 of the Blacktown Boys 2020 trial. The chocolate consumption per person per day of a population of people was found to be normally distributed with a mean of 68.95 grams and a standard deviation of 18.45. Above what chocolate consumption rate does 2.5% of this population lie? So, I'm just going to draw up our bell curve. The mean is 68.95. 1, 2, 3. Standard deviation is 18.45. So we have 68.95 plus 18.45, 87.4 plus 18.45, 105.85, 124.3. Now, above what chocolate consumption rate does 2.5% of this population lie? Let's go back to our reference sheet. Now, these are the numbers I wanted you to memorize. So above 2.5%, well, these two numbers, they add to 2.5%. So we want above 2 standard deviations, above the mean. So 1, 2 above here. So the answer is 105.85 grams. Question B. Rahul consumed 50.5 grams of chocolate in one day. What percentage of this population have a chocolate consumption rate more than Rahul's? So 50.5. I'm just going to go back to my bell curve. Let's add in the other 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's 68.95 minus 18.45. That's 50.5. That's what Rahul consumed. So what percentage of this population have a consumption rate more than Rahul's? So we know that all of this, that's 50%. Plus we have another 34%. Okay, so here's our bell curve. All of that. So that's 86% altogether. I'll just put in my working out for 50% plus the 34%. Oh, sorry, that should be 84%. Okay, and question C. If Ben takes a sample of people from this population and finds that 6 of them consumed less than 13.6 grams of chocolate per person per day, if Ben's sample has the same distribution as this population, what is Ben's sample size? So I'm going to go back to my bell curve. Let's fill the rest of this out. Minus 18.45, 32.05, and the 13.6. So 6 of them consumed less than 13.6. So 6 of them lie here. If we look back at our sheet, I asked you to memorize that. So 0.15%. 0.15% of the amount of people is 6 people. So the number of people in the sample size must be 6 divided by 0.15%. Which is 4,000.